Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you a project I did a while ago. So this is a simple project called srtphi. So the story of this project was I wanted to make a virus scanner that was working for any computer that digs deep. Now this file is not spyware or anything like that, it only just warns you about your files. So, how does this work and why is it unique than any other antivirus software like it? So basically, as you can see, this is version 1.2, which is the second version I made of this. So you have the simulated VM report. This is what makes this unique. You have the browse, which makes you change the selected folder or drive. Scan now, which I just did, which is a scan. Start monitor, which is basically the same thing as this one, but it monitors your computer over the duration, and quarantines all of these. Now, of course, these are not viruses, but I coded them to look like viruses for this test, but this is actually an accurate sniffer. So the code inside of these files simulates a virus. So this machine detects it as one. So let's click on the critical level. The threat level, this is how it works. So basically what it does, it runs this in a VM, a secret virtual machine. It's a simple virtual machine that runs the file for a few seconds and then shuts off and then tells you what this did. So threat level, critical. File, OneDrive patcher, path gives you the full path. Predicted behavior, simulated. Modified auto-run, startup entries to persist on reboot. Gives you a score and the reasons. The recommendation is quarantine. Now, what's new about this tool is now it has a clear button because it used to not have anything except the scan, browse, monitor. Has an about, it's an educational one. So it was a small project, but the V1.3 is coming soon, and it will be a very big project because I will add so many things. Now you can export the report or clear them, and it's ready always. So how to get this is very easy, but you need to follow a specific order of steps to get it. So we're gonna head on to Muriok, github.com/Muriok. You'll find my releases, srtphi. So, to immediately show you the first thing ever, so srtphi stands for System Retracker Prehash Intelligence. It is a lightweight security tool that scans your system for suspicious files and folders. It helps detect trojans, cracks, and unsafe executables before you run them, giving you an extra layer of protection and awareness. Its features are very simple, and the upgrades are usually every 2 to 3 months. So this, you should not download this unless you want the simple version, which is basically just a small, this is V1 basically. Now you're gonna go to the releases and you'll find my latest one. So this is V1.2 with this new, the first one was a white GUI, so I realized it was really hard on the eyes, so I kept testing until I made it to black and nice and sleek. The predictability is very strong and it has more accuracy, more scores, and the quarantine button. Now, how to download this is srtphi, you download this one, and the readme to install if you want. But here are the steps. So, first of all, you're gonna go to any downloader or app store on your computer and download the latest version of Python and tick add to path. Now, the dependencies, these are important because the file, once it's installed, it won't run because you need these dependencies. So you're going to open command panel and you're going to run it as an administrator and run these pip install psutil pip install tk, pip install watchdog. Now these are really important to run, and watchdog is the one that runs the Python as the tool as live monitor. Soon we will have a new version, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And this was just a showcase of one of my projects that I've ever done, and I hope everybody likes it. Thank you for watching.